Hi there, this is another announcement for another book that I have released. You can now find at my Buy Me a Coffee page on Apple Books, on Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon, my book, Ukulele for Beginners. It is a book that is made either for individuals or groups to learn ukulele. It has the basics of playing the ukulele, plus you're going to cover 13 chords. There are 12 skill drills to practice those chords. There are 21 different songs with 26 total songs, and then 65 play along videos that were created to go along with this book. This book was originally part of my GCEA U course that I created during COVID to help people get a good, strong foundation. And then a couple of years later, the Two Harbors Ukulele Group, or THUG, asked me to come up to their annual festival and start teaching beginner ukulele, at which point I expanded the book. So this book is the latest and greatest. It has all the latest play alongs linked to it. You'll find a couple of pages with the links to the videos, and then of course all the other material in the book. So if you're interested, ukulele for beginners, great for individuals, great for groups. You can find it again at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.